Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Allure Beauty Box just arrived for October. This is the very first new edition, I guess, box that they have. So the only differences that I could really see is now they're saying you're gonna get 6+ items and it's gonna be valued at $100 or more, where before you got 5 items and it was valued at $70 or more. And this time you're gonna get at least 3 full size, and I guess before you got 2 full size. So it just seems like you're gonna get 1 extra full size item for that extra fee. So let's go ahead and see what the first now box is going to be for the $23 one. And obviously I can tell the box is different. It is a little bit bigger of a box, and that's what it looks like. They do still have their brochure with that gorgeous woman right there on it. And this says Allure Beauty. And then is it going to be, yep, the book and everything is the same to go over all of the items with all of their verbiage. So there doesn't look like there's much else, like in difference of the box. Like right off the bat, everything still looks like there's small items, and then the full size items are smaller full size items, but you know, let's see. So we do have this nail polish, which I'm sure they're gonna call this a full size. And this says that this is valued at $16. It is a really pretty, like nude mauve-ish color that does look really pretty. Does it say what color it is? It says Static Nails Irene. And it says $16 on the bottom of it. And Static Nails is the brand and Irene is the color. So I do think that is a really pretty color. So we have that full size item, $16. Then we have is this little tiny Sigma. Like they couldn't even put the full size Sigma product in there. Like the full size would look like that, and the full size would be $20, but we get this little one here. So I think they could have at least given us the full size. They could have given us at least the full size, but you know. And this says Liquid Lip in Venom, and it looks like a bright reddish color. So I'm gonna put that right back in the box because I don't do reds. But they could have at least given us the full size is what I'm saying, but you know. So there's the second item. Okay, you guys, so here is the next item, and this is a sample product as well. And this is from La Roche-Posay. I'm not sure how you say that. The full size is gonna be a 400 milliliter, and it's like this big pump bottle situation right there. And the full size is $19.99. And this is the sample size, and this is 15 milliliter. So the full size is 400 milliliter for only $20. So if you do like this, then you can get the full size for $28. So now we have, I'm still waiting to see other full size products. So now we have is Dr. Jart, and this is a cream moisture retention shield, but there's that. The full size product is $48, and it would be like this bigger container right there. And then this is the one that we got. So you have a sample size of this, and if you want the full size, then it would be $48, and I don't even know what in the world this is. So you have like a moisturizing cream is what it sounds like. All right, you guys, so now we have is a super eye serum with retinol. Okay, so this is actually a pretty good size for an eye serum, because I've had eye serums that are half this size that are full size and really, really expensive. So this is a full size item, and that is actually a pretty good size for an eye cream. And this is valued at $65. And yes, this would be the full size item. So this right here is $65. So this definitely pays for the entire box plus more, and you have all these items. So I guess they kind of make up for it if this is a good eye cream or eye serum. So then there's another item in here, and this says the Nuco Topical C. So is it like a C fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines and smooths, brightens, and antioxidant. So then this would be the full size product, and this is valued at $70. So even this one product is more than the entire box. So, I mean, I guess if you look at the value, then it's good. But it's just like for the very first box, you thought there was probably going to be like maybe an eyeshadow palette or something really, really good. But yet you got an eye cream, you got a serum, and a nail polish for the first full size products. So now I can kind of see why people are probably upset or confused. Wait, is this a powder? What in the hell? It says 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mix up with water. Apply to clean skin. Oh, so this isn't even a serum. It's a powder that you put in your serum. I don't use stuff like this. Yeah, so that's a powder. That's not even like a serum like I was thinking. So there's that. And then this right here is a sample of Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh, and that's on the back of it. So it's just a sample that was added. This is not part of the actual box, but it is a sample. And then the last item is Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. So this right here is $18 for 5 patches, and we got 1. So the only full-size items in is the powder to put in your serum. You have an eye cream and a nail polish. So I can see that it is a little disappointing for the very first box being, but I mean, everything is still over the value. I mean, I normally never complained about my Allure boxes at 15. Now it's 23. So let's see where it goes. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I mean, the box is okay. I personally am not going to use the powder. I'm excited to try the eye cream, and that's it. And this was valued at $60. So I'm still getting my money's worth if you look at it that way, but I'm only going to use one of the items from this box. But there you go. So this is what we got for our very first more expensive Allure beauty box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think? Do you think it was worth the price increase? Do you see a big difference? Does it still look like the normal beauty box that we got before? Comment down below. Let me know, did you get this? Are you excited about it? Are you disappointed in it? Let me know all the details down below. And there you go. So that is everything that I have to show for my Allure beauty box for October. And again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.